Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11416 Class 1 trailer hitch installed on a 2020 Honda HR-V all-wheel drive Sport. Click the links in the video's description for the official installation instructions and to determine if this part will fit your vehicle. We will be lowering the exhaust to help ease the installation of the hitch. We recommend supporting the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or a wire hanger to prevent damage to the exhaust system while it is temporarily lowered. We recommend using a spray lubricant on the exhaust's rubber isolators for easy removal. Use a pry bar or an isolator removal tool to remove the isolators from the exhaust hangers. Some HR-Vs will need to have an underbody panel trim to allow the hitch to be mounted flush to the frame. Refer to the included instruction sheet for a trim diagram. Some underbody panels can be bent out of the way, like we've done here. Use the included fish wire tool to route the mounting hardware from an access point in the frame to the hardware's mounting location on the passenger side. Do this by inserting the coiled end of the fish wire tool into the mounting location here. Then route the fish wire tool down and out of the larger access hole. Place an included SP2 square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire tool and insert it into the access hole. Then thread the 7/16 inch by 1 inch carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire tool and insert it into the access hole. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire tool, pulling the hardware through the frame and down and out through the mounting location. Leave the fish wire tool attached to the carriage bolt at this time. Repeat this hardware installation process on the driver's side, but make sure to use the 7/16 inch by 1 1/4 inch carriage bolt with the fish wire tool. Install the included 7/16 inch U-bolt into the vehicle's toe loop. Now you are ready to lift the hitch into position over the mounting hardware. We recommend having a friend help you lift. Be sure to route the fish wire tool through the hitch's side plates. Raise the hitch into position and allow the U-bolt to pass through the attachment points on the hitch. Once the hitch is in position, fasten the U-bolt in place with the included 7/16 inch flange nuts. Now you may carefully remove the fish wire tools from the carriage bolts previously installed, and fasten the hitch's side plates to the frame hardware with the included 7/16 inch flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact values specified in the instruction sheet. Click the link in the video's description for the official installation instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed the 11416 on the 2020 Honda HR-V all-wheel drive Sport. Get ready to tow by installing the CURT 51284 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.